Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.
Wow, so here we have someone, she has long waist-length hair. The stylist cuts the hair right off. Oh, and she gets a beautiful bob makeover. Gorgeous. So here we have another bob transformation. So she starts off with a shoulder length hair. And the stylist gives her a nice angled bob. This is a great shape because her hair is on the thinner side, so that angle really just kind of gave the hair a thicker appearance. And it frames her face so beautifully. Alright, so here we have someone who wants to go red and cut their hair. So the stylist colors the hair. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. That is such a beautiful, intense red hue. Perfect for her complexion. I love this wavy, tousled bob. And the color looks superb. Very nice. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. The hair is placed into ponytails. Oh, and she gets a gorgeous boy cut pixie. So here we have someone rocking out some shoulder length hair, and she decided to chop it off into this beautiful pixie style. Wow, okay, so she has this beautiful ginger long hair. The hair is braided and then cut. And she gets this beautiful bob makeover. Wow, I love this color. So pretty. And the cut is so cute. And that is a lot of hair. So here we have someone, it looks like she might be getting a mullet style here. Oh, it looks like the stylist is actually cutting off the mullet. And then we have a gorgeous bob makeover. Bobs are definitely in season right now as we head into the summer months. So next up we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she wants a long shoulder length bob cut. Oh, wow, look how volumized this is. Absolutely phenomenal. Her hair looks beautiful. And also because she has a longer bob, she has a lot of hair that she can play around with when it comes to styling. Very nice. So here we have someone, she has hair around mid-back length or so. The stylist chops the hair right off. You know, for some reason I thought that she was going to get layers, but I guess she wanted to go short. So it looks like she has a pop of blonde going there still in the bangs. I love this bob that he did for her. Wow, and the color. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous makeover. So here we have a mullet. Now you guys know mullets are very popular right now. This one is super cute. I love the baby bangs in the front. So much texture. So here we have someone, she has this gorgeous curly hair, a few blonde streaks going in the front, or gray. And it looks like she got a nice little pixie cut. curls look amazing. So here we have someone, she has hair around ear length. Looks like she got the hair dyed chocolate brown and got this beautiful bob. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here we have someone, she has this really pretty two-toned color to her hair. Gray with like a maroon underneath. And the stylist did a shape up to this very chic bob cut. I love it. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for checking out another video. If you enjoyed this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.